Hi, I'm Christian, and what are you doing down here? Let's clean you up a little. Okay, are you fine? Okay, as you can see, we are outside, we have space, we have nature, and we have buildings. And one of the most interesting things is that we can see our neatest star right up here. And we have a question. How far is the sun from here? From our perspective, the sun seems to be yellow, but from the International Space Station, its appearance is white, even though it is classified as a dark yellow star between the smallest stars. The Earth and several planets orbit around the sun at huge distances. The Sun is 4.6 billion years old, and it has a radius of 109 times bigger than Earth's. We were given a house, our solar system. At night, we can admire planets as small bright spots, but actually they are enormous. The Sun is the biggest object in our solar system. The temperature on its surface is 5,512 degrees. This star has a radius of 696,000 kilometers. Mercury is 58 millions of kilometers away from the Sun. Venus is one of the brightest planets at night. Its rocky surface reflects sunlight. We have arrived to the only planet that maintains life as we suppose. The Earth has a national satellite called the Moon, which is a consequence of a collision between a huge object against the Earth 4,000 million years ago. Mars is our next target at outer space travel. It's usually named as the red planet because of the color of its surface. Asteroids, sometimes called minor planets, are rocky remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system. Most of this ancient space rubble can be found between Mars and Jupiter. Jupiter is the massive giant of the solar system. It has 4 moons: Europa, Ganymede, Callisto, and Io. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius about 9 times that of Earth. Uranus spins lying on the space. It is one of the 4 planets that have asteroid rings. Its blue color is caused by the methane gas color absorption. Neptune's satellite Triton is getting closer to it. Scientists foresee a collision between them in the distant future. Is this the entire solar system, or we are missing something? This is the image of what we have always been said, but we wanna look farther. NASA launched Voyager 1 and 2 in 1977 to navigate space, gathering information and respect. Nowadays, Voyager 1 has reached interstellar space. It had crossed the termination shock and the heliopause in 39 years. Ernest Topic and Jan Art were the pioneers of that concept, in which they considered the solar system ended out of the Oort cloud, which is. And this is our way to live, keeping our heads in little boxes, our lives, in our careers, thinking about future, but the real fact